Hello everyone, welcome back to the Case and Hot Wheels Diecast Garage and Racing YouTube channel. In today's video, I actually have an unboxing video for you guys. Sorry about that. Anyways, I have an unboxing video for you guys, and it is an older case of the 2025 A-Case assortment. I bought this case off of Amazon, and yeah, I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. I actually already opened this because I wanted to make sure what case it was, because I wasn't sure about the case, so it's a random case assortment. But it's a case from this year, so I'm gonna go through it for you guys. First off, we have the 1991 Mazda Miata MX-5. This would be also part of Q case from 2024. We have the Rally Speciale, which is a fantasy rally car. And then we have the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk edition. The next cars, we have the Morgan Super 3. We have the Draftinator and the Track Wagon, which are also fantasy models. And then we have the McLaren F1 in red, which would also be a part of Q case as well. We have the Acura NSX 1990s in white. We have the Batman and Robin Batmobile. And then we have the 1987 Audi Quattro, which would be a super treasure hunt for this case. Unfortunately, it is not. We have the 2021 Ford Bronco, and we have Retro Active. We have the custom Cadillac Fleetwood in green. We have the High Roller 2, and then we have the Lotus Type 49. We have the Super Twin Mill, the Bugatti Bolide, which is in red, and then we have the Mazda AutoZam. We have the Tesla Model S Plaid, another Track Wagon, and Bogzilla. We have the Ford Mustang Dark Horse, another of the Mazda MX-5 Miata. And then we have Max Steel. We have another Max Steel. We have another Super Twin Mill, and then another. We have the tractor. My phone's overheating a little bit again. We have Speed Dozer. We have Bumblebee, which is a car from the Transformers movie, and Purple Passion. Actually, there's a variation. There's a variation with this car where there's a little face. This one has it. And then there's one that doesn't have a face on it, so there's a variation on them. And then we have the 1990 Honda Civic EF in blue. We have the 1966 Triumph Tiger 100 in Webster. We have another Acura NSX. We have the Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe. And we have the Ford Performance Supervan 4, which is actually a regular treasure hunt for this case. There's the Circle Flame logo right there. And then there's writing right there on the card. The next few cars we have is the Morgan Super 3. We have the 1983 Chevy Silverado, which would be a Super Treasure Hunt, a part of Q case. That one seems, I wish I could have that one. It's high up in value on eBay, so it's going to be a while for me to get one of these things for sure. I love one in my collection because they're nice looking. I'm trying to hurry so my phone don't overheat. We have the Kai Swap Nerf Hammer. I don't know how to pronounce that. Kowloon D Hyperband. We have another retroactive. We have the Dodge van and the 1996 Porsche Carrera. We have the 1987 Audi Quattro, which is unfortunately it's not the Super Treasure Hunt. I do have the Super Treasure Hunt with me, so there's the Super, this case. I found this one in the dump bin at Walmart when they had one of the promotion shippers out. There's the Circle Flame logo, and then the TH logo right there, and it has rubber tires, as you can see, and the rims are different. We have the Alpha Pursuit Custom 53 Chevy and another Kai Swap. We have the Tesla Cybertruck, and then two of the Monster High Gold Mobiles. I'm gonna have to sit my phone down and go in the house for a minute. It's overheating. I hate recording out this in this heat because of that. I'll be right back. Sorry about that, everyone. My phone was overheating again, so I had to take a little break. Anyways, the next three cars we have is another Aston Martin, or what am I saying? Another and Robin Batmobile. We have the Alfa Romeo GT V6 3.0 and another McLaren F1. We have another Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk, another 1996 Porsche Carrera, and we have the 1967 Chevy C10. We have the Diora 3 small block, and another Triumph Tiger 100. We have High Roller 2, another Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe, and the Bugatti Bolide, another one of them. We have the Volkswagen T3 Custom, another Bumblebee Volkswagen. I see this one also has a face variant on it. And then we have another Bogzilla. And then the final cars we have is the Alfa Romeo GTV6 3.0, the Subaru Impreza 22B STI version, and the Dodge van. That's going to be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. That was the 2025 A case. unboxing video. It's an older case, so didn't get the super. I already had the super treasure hunt, and that's right here. I found this one in the dump bin. Circle Flame logo, TH logo, Spectra Flame green, rubber tires, different rims from the main line. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please consider on subscribing to my channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.